Today I'm going to show you how to practice the compound curve with a pencil. Hi everyone, this is Claudia. So before you go further, if you haven't watched my previous videos on posture, how to do up and down straight lines, and over and under turns with a pencil, then make sure you check out those videos first because we're building up our skills slowly. Today I'm going to show you how to practice the compound curve with a pencil. Basically, the compound curve is a combination of the overturn and the underturn. So as you go up and over, instead of coming all the way down to the baseline, we're going to curve again and go back up. Here's a list of what we're going to look for when we're practicing compound curve. The upstroke, downstroke, and the upstroke are all going to be at the 55-degree slant line. This middle part right here is a straight line. It's not a wiggle. It may seem like it's a wiggle because as we come down, we're going to be pressing down on the nib so the tines will spread. And with the swell, sometimes people mistake that as a wiggle, but in fact, the middle part right here is a straight line down. With this curve, it's going to be light pressure going up and round, and we're going to start increasing pressure at the 1/3 mark, going down, and then we're going to release pressure all the way, and there should be no pressure by this 1/3 mark, and we're going to come down and around and go back up, and these are all light pressure. As we're doing the turns, we're going to touch the first ascender line, and when coming down, we're going to touch the baseline. So in terms of the breathing, we're going to breathe in as we go up, out as we come down, and in again as we go up. And one last thing I would like to mention is the distance within the space here for the overturn is exactly the same distance for the underturn. Okay, so we're going to start off doing the first stroke. So we're going to ghost first, coming up and down and up again. Okay, so we're going to take a look. Here, the first thing I notice is that the distance within the overturn is a little bit wider than the underturn, so could have made it from here first so that this is not so wide. Right there, you can see it's not at the 55-degree slant line. Coming down, I like the fact that I started increasing pressure here and decreasing pressure here. I have touched the first ascender line, which is okay, but I have overshot a little bit down here. You can see that there's a little bit hanging out at the baseline before I come around. The other thing is I could have made this a little bit in like this so that I run along the 55-degree slant line. On the in stroke and the out stroke, I need to work a little bit more so that they run along the 55-degree slant line. This one, the downstroke, is along the 55-degree slant line, so that's good. So we're going to try again. Okay, this one, the upstroke, downstroke, and the upstroke, they're all along 55-degree slant line, so that's good. Could have made this a little bit rounder, so I'm touching here instead of over here. Could have also made this a little bit rounder, so because right now it looks like there's a little bump that goes in. And I like the fact that I started increasing the pressure here and decreasing pressure here. Could have made this turn a little bit rounder and then coming back up a little bit rounder, so this angle not so pointy, and the inside distance, it's good, so I like that. So one more time. So here, the upstroke, downstroke, and the upstroke, they are on the 55-degree slant line, so I like that. Here, I like the fact that I have touched the first ascender line and I've started increasing pressure here and decreasing pressure here. For the upstroke, I could have made it a little bit closer in. It's very slight because this distance right here looks like it's a little bit narrower than this distance here, so it's a little tiny bit wider. So I could have brought this upstroke closer so it makes it more even, but it's very slight. That is how I critique my compound curve. Make sure you keep looking and critiquing your work so you can make adjustment and changes. This way you can see what you're doing and figure out how you can fix it. And that's it for today. If you like what you see, give it a thumbs up. Also, comment down below to let me know if there's any questions that you have or any concerns that you have so that I can try to answer your question. If you live in Toronto, I offer pointed pen calligraphy workshops. So if you're interested to learn with me, then check out the link below. Thank you very much for sticking with me. That's it for today. Until next time.